Today, we are delving into a beautiful practice taught by Islam, the act of beginning our activities in the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate. This principle, when followed consciously, brings about three wonderful benefits. Firstly, it helps restrain us from many misdeeds. When we habitually pronounce the name of Allah, it makes us pause and reflect before committing any wrongdoing. Secondly, by starting good and legitimate tasks with the name of Allah, it ensures that our starting point and mental orientation are sound, contributing to a positive outcome. And finally, the most important benefit, when we begin something by invoking God's name, we invite His support and succor. Allah blesses our efforts and protects us from the machinations and temptations of Satan. Just as the Quran reminds us, when a man turns to God, God turns to him as well. So, let's embark on our journey in the name of Allah, the Merciful, the Compassionate. May our actions be guided, and may we find success and blessings in all that we do. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Until next time.